I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make a playlist private on Spotify using both the Spotify mobile app and desktop app. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Got some guilty pleasure songs or planning a surprise party playlist that you don't want others snooping around and finding? I've got your back, and we'll show you how to make a Spotify playlist private using both the Spotify mobile app and desktop app. First, let's walk through the steps to make a Spotify playlist private using the Spotify mobile app. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Your Library in the menu along the bottom of this screen. The Your Library screen opens. Step 2. Tap Playlist at the top of the screen to see all of your Spotify playlist. Tap the Spotify playlist you want to make private. The Spotify playlist opens. Step 3. Tap the ellipses directly above the songs in this playlist. A menu opens. Step 4. Tap Make Private in this menu. A window pops up warning you that if you make this Spotify playlist private, that only you and people you invite will be able to view this playlist. Step 5. Tap Make Private. A message pops up at the bottom of this screen letting you know that this playlist is now private. You'll also see a padlock icon displayed next to the total playlist time. Going forward, only you and other people you invite will be able to listen to this Spotify playlist. You can make this playlist public again at any time by tapping the ellipses and then tapping Make Public. Next, let's walk through the steps to make a Spotify playlist private using the Spotify desktop app. Step 1. Launch the Spotify app and then click the Your Library icon in the menu along the left edge of the screen. The Your Library part of the menu will expand. Step 2. Click Playlist in this menu. You'll now only see your Spotify playlist in this section. Step 3. Click the Spotify playlist you want to make private. That Spotify playlist opens. Step 4. Click the ellipses directly above the songs in this playlist. A menu opens. Step 5. Click Make Private in this menu. You'll see a note above the playlist name indicating this is a private playlist. Going forward, only you and other people you invite will be able to listen to this Spotify playlist. You can make this playlist public again at any time by tapping the ellipses and then tapping Make Public. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.